Hey YouTubers, how are ya? Just wanted to share with you that life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, but it's about dancing in the rain. And you have what it takes to create wealth. I wanted to go through this with you. As you see, I'm throwing in some of the benefits of vitamin A and B and C, just to help keep your immune system strong. As you see there, I go through all the vitamins. There's your vitamin B12s. There's your vitamin B12s again. And here you have vitamin C versus the coronavirus. There you have some fruits that will help with the vitamin C intake. As you see, oranges, tomato juice, broccoli, kiwi, kale. All of them will help boost your immune system. There you have those. There you have figs and apricots. So the main key thing is to keep your immune system strong. With your immune system strong, it will be able to combat the coronavirus. There's your 20 best sources of B12. There's your B6, B7, B9. There's your B complex. So I wanted to make sure.
Hey guys, how are you?
I
just wanted to show you what I got.
See
how that says get juice?
to look at.
Just got that in the mail today.
And here's where I got
this
the
is
product
one
in the mail.
of my
this one here is
products
Get Juiced,
from my business.
As you see.
See it how it has all that good stuff in it.
I'll let you listen to me
so
now.
I just wanted to go ahead
myself.
and share that with you to let you know I got mine.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
And then this,
share my video,
is what the bottle looks like.
Make sure you watch my other videos.
As you can see, you take 2 tablets, 1 to 2 times a day.
I am here for
with
you.
A meal. Of course, it has your caution.
I want
keep out
your
of,
life to be
reach
easier.
children, all the normal stuff. But it's for your brain, body, superfoods.
I just got this in the mail today.
It has all that in it. Blueberry, cranberry, grape, strawberry, raspberry, pomegranate, bilberry, alfalfa, carrot.
Today, which is Wednesday, September 22nd.
Broccoli,
2021.
chokeberry, apple, berry, grape skin, black cherry, tomato, barley, celery.
As you see, it has all them in
chlorella, black currant, artichoke, mango, pineapple.
Bunch of
and on and on and on.
Healthy vitamins.
It's based on 2,000 calorie diet.
If you have any questions,
and then there's all your B.
You have any suggestions on how I can make my channel better?
Vitamin A.
Feel free. I've had this channel for a little over a year, and I've only got like 42 subscribers.
But I just wanted to give you guys the update on that.
Wrong. I should have way more than that.
I'm getting ready to go to work, so I wanted to share that before I got out the door.
Better.
So this video will be short. Make sure you check out my
all
other
the
videos.
Input I can get.
Make sure you like and subscribe. As you see, I hadn't even opened it up yet. I'm getting ready to, after I get done with this video, I'm going to go ahead and take it and get myself on to work. That's why this video is short, but I did at least want to go ahead and share that with you. I don't know if you've seen my other video yet on, I did some pictures on the importance of vitamin B and the importance of vitamin D. So make sure you check out those. You should see my YouTube video. It's in the link. I titled it the Delta variant COVID. So it should be pretty easy to find. Make sure you watch that one. Make sure you watch my other ones too. I've got some of my other ones on some of my other products that I got. So. And then I've got a free book I'm giving out. So if you want that free book, you're going to have to let me know. And I can send it to you. My Facebook page is in the description of the video, so make sure you look at the description, so it will tell you my other channels, and it will tell you my Facebook group, my regular Facebook page, because I've got a Facebook group that's called Money Making Now. It's all about different tips and tricks that you can do to make money online. One of them is called Crowdfire. You can earn $420 just by getting people signed up. I can send you the link to that. You can read up on it and see if that's something that might interest you. Of course, there's Fiverr, ClickBank. So there's several. There's Digistore24. There's Amazon affiliate marketing. So I mean, there's lots of different ways that you can get out there and you can crush it. So just let me know down in either the comments, or you can get on my Facebook and send me a message on Facebook. Or if you look on my description, on a couple of my videos, I've got my email address in the description. So you'll have to find that video. That way you could either email me, you could message me on Facebook, or you can just comment down below in the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. I'm trying to build up my channel because I want this to be my only source of income. Well, not only source, but I don't want to be working at the VA medical center. I want to cut that one out and do this online stuff full time. Currently, right now, I'm working different streams of income I got coming in. I've got Robinhood, I do that. So I've got a little bit into cryptocurrency. I've got that going on. Now I've got Fiverr. I do affiliate marketing. I do designing, web design, and you can check out my web page I created. That's in one of the links down below too. So if you ever know anybody that needs a logo designed, or a design for a web page, or a design for a Facebook ad, or anything like that, just let me know. I can help them out with getting it designed. And I can send you samples. You'll just have to get a hold of me. Let me know what kind of samples you're looking for, and I'll get with you, and we'll crush it together. It's all about getting it crushed, getting it going. Okay, well, you have a great night, and I'll talk to you later.